Good morning guys. I'm cooking a omelette, but my omelette is healthy. Ingredients are eggs and onions and tomatoes and lettuce and also cheese. So I add cheese on it kasi my hubby is he always like cheese. Here you go. I'm cooking in Salad Master Cookware. Yan oh. Yan. So let's check it out. Ayan. So, 450 degrees Fahrenheit, heat up and then turn it up when you're about to put the eggs on it. Then, after you put all the ingredients inside, you have to turn it up. That's why it's off already. It's gonna cook by its own heat. It's still cooking. So, let's check it out. Wow, there you go guys. Here you go. The omelette, a healthy omelette by Merlinda. Ayan, di ba? That's a very healthy omelette. So the ingredients are cheese, onions, black pepper, a little bit salt, pinch of salt, and also tomatoes, lettuce, and onions. Yay! O, di ba? Ganyan ang omelette ko. Tapos, gagawin ko naman siyang ganito. So, yan. Ano natin yan. So, hindi siya nag-stick. No need oil, guys. See? See, guys, oh. Kahit kamayin ko na lang to, hindi ako mapapaso. Ayan, oh. So, itutupik ko siyang ganyan. At ito din. Ayan. So, ganyan ang paggawa ng very healthy omelette. So, para hindi siya masira, kuha tayo ng plato. So, ayan. Ilagay natin si plato. At ilagay natin si takip. At syempre, ganito ang gagawin natin guys. Yan. Para hindi tayo mapaso, iwas paso, ganito. Yan. Para hindi masira si eggs. Diba? See, ang linis. No dirt. You can still cook on it. Different dish. Ganyan kaganda ang Salad Master, guys. O, di ba? Ang kinis pa niya. Ang linis. Walang oil. So, ganyan tayo magluto ng fried egg, omelette, very healthy, no oil. O, di ba? At, syempre, dahil meron pa tayo ditong natira niya kahapon na salad, ilalagay natin yan. Ayan. Ilalagay natin yan para mas healthy ang kanyang pagkain. Ayan. Dito na natin yan ilalagay. Ayan. Diba? May salad pa rin siya. Oh. At may vegetable pa rin yung kanyang healthy egg na fresh. Diba? Yan ay para kay hubby ko. Siya laging may breakfast. Ako wala. Kasi 1 meal a day lang ako, guys. O, diba? Bon appetit! I-deliver ko na to sa kanya.
Do we have any other invoices that we need to get out
Hello,
there?
darling.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Yan, delivery.